So question 4, some algebra to do here. So the first part, simplify 4y plus 2x minus 3 plus 3x plus 8. So what we need to do here is gather like terms. Well, there's no other y terms, so that will just stay as it is. We'll then look at the x terms. We've got a 2x and a 3x, so that gives us 5x. And then the numbers, well, we've got minus 3 and 8. Well, you can simply do 8 minus 3 is 5. And that's your answer to part A. On to factorising. So we've got 9x squared minus 6xy. So we look at the numbers to begin with. Is there any number that goes into 9 and 6? And the answer to that is yes. The answer is 3. And then we look at the letters. Is there any letter that goes into x squared and xy? And the answer to that is yes also. There's an x that goes into x squared and xy. So we put that on the outside as it's in both terms. And now we need to write things in the inside that when we multiply out the brackets give us 9x squared minus 6y. So we've got to ask ourselves, what do we multiply 3x by to get 9x squared? Well, we've got 3x, so we're going to need another 3 to get the 9, and we're going to need another x to get the x squared. So 3x times the 3x will give you a 9x squared. Now the 3x times something gives us minus 6y, so we're going to need a minus sign in the middle. To go from 3 to 6 we're going to need a 2. Now we've got the x, okay, we've got the x on the outside already, so we don't need another x, but we haven't got a y on the outside, so we need to put a y on the inside. So the answer is 3x times, in brackets, 3x minus 2y. So on to part C, we've got to expand 4 lots of x plus 2, 4 times x plus 2. Now I'll just show you what that actually means. So 4 lots of x plus 2 actually means x plus 2 plus x plus 2 plus x plus 2 plus x plus 2. So if you add that lot up, you'll have 4 x's and you'll have 4 2's, which gives you 8. Now that is rather a long way of doing that. You could have simply said 4 times x is 4x, and most importantly 4 times 2 is 8. So that's what it means, and that's how you get the answer more quickly. Now expand and simplify x minus 5 times x plus 3. So hopefully you've done this many times before and you'll know you'll get 4 terms to start with. So you've got your x times x, which gives me x squared. Then take the x and multiply it by the 3. So that's x times 3 is plus 3x. Then you move across to your minus 5 and do minus 5 times x, which is minus 5x. And then you multiply minus 5 times plus 3. So minus 5 times plus 3 is minus 15. Now, it does tell you to simplify, so it's not in its simplest form at the moment. X squared will stay as it is, but you've got what are called two like terms. So 3x take away 5x. So that's going to leave you with minus 2x. A good way to think of this is if the minus number is larger than the plus number, then your answer must be a minus. And then you just write the minus 15 on the end, and you've completed the question successfully. So hopefully you did that.